So we reached the last question of exercise 2.2. Question 16 says, the organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money that was distributed was rupees 3000, and we have to find out the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Okay, let's collect the number of information, the various pieces of information given to us. What all is given to us? The number of total participants, that is 63. What more is given to us? The total prize money that was distributed, that is rupees 3000. Second information. What is the third information given? Third information given is the amount that is given to each of the winners and the amount that is given to each of the participants who did not win. Okay? So using this information, let us try to build on the linear equation. And what are we supposed to find out? The number of winners. Okay? So let us just assume, let the number of winners be x. Let the number of winners be x. Okay? Then how many participants are there who did not win? Since we are given the total number of participants, which is 63, therefore the number of non-winners, I have written here non-winners, or you can say the number of participants who did not win is 63 minus x. Right? Next, we are given the prize that is given to each of the winners, which is rupees 100. So, how much amount will be given to the total winners? How much amount will be given to total winners? 100 into x. Total money given to winners will be 100 into x. 100x. Okay? Now, next information. The amount given to each of the participants who did not win, which is rupees 25. So what is the total amount that goes to the non-winners? 25 into the number of participants who did not win. So that's what we are having here. Total money given to non-winners will be 25 rupees into the number multiplied by the number of non-winners, which is 63 minus x. Okay, which comes out as, if I multiply this, 25 into 63 is 1575 into 25 into x will be minus 25x. Okay, so what do I get? This is actually the money, right? The rupees. Rupee 100x and rupee 1575 minus 25x. So this is these two together make the total amount, which is already given to us, which is rupees 3000. Okay? So what is the equation that I get? The equation that I will get is 100x total money for the prize winners plus the amount given to the non-winners is equal to, given to us is rupees 3000. Right? So what do we need to do? Just solve it. Simple. Let us solve it quickly. 100x minus 25x. 75x. 1575 transpose to the other side. 3000 minus 1575 becomes 1425. Right? Perfect. So what is x? X comes out as 1425 upon 75. So all we need to do is solve it and get the lowest form. So that's, I'm dividing it both numerator and denominator by 5. Again, so we are left with 57 by 3, which is very much in the table of 3, which is 19. So what is 19? X. And what is X? We had assumed X to be the number of winners. Therefore, the number of winners is 19. Okay? And that solves question 16. And we end exercise 2.2. I hope you understood this entire exercise. Now next, I will move directly on to exercise 2.4. If you feel that I need to take up questions from exercise 2.3, then you'll have to write in the comment section and I'll take those questions specifically. Okay? Thank you.